Today, I'm going to demonstrate the proper use of a Marsh funnel and cup. This test should be performed regularly and at the very least every time drilling fluid is mixed, as it provides a baseline measurement of drilling fluid viscosity. Viscosity is the thickness of the drilling fluid, explained in simple terms. First, check the brass fitting at the bottom of the funnel to make sure it's not blocked with any dried drilling fluid or foreign material. Cover this end with your finger and then simply fill the funnel through the metal screen. This prevents fish eyes or crud from blocking the brass fitting at the base of the funnel. Lumps collecting over the metal screen is also an indication that the drilling fluid is not properly mixed and requires additional mixing prior to testing. Continue filling the funnel until the drilling fluid reaches the line just below the metal screen. Once the funnel is filled to the line, prepare the cup. Then release your finger and start the stopwatch at the same time. The purpose of this test is to time how long it takes for the cup to fill to the marked line. To ensure your funnel is reading true, fresh water should take around 26 seconds to fill a quart or 27 seconds to fill 1 litre. Drilling fluids will take longer than this, and depending on the viscosity, could take anywhere up to a minute or more. The thicker the drilling fluid, the longer it will take. This drilling fluid has taken 35 seconds. The funnel viscosity is noted down as 35 seconds. It's recommended that the funnel and cup be cleaned after each test to ensure the results are accurate. The funnel is designed for drilling fluids only and not to be used for fuel, oil, or any other substance.